under this mountain will be my grave.
A snowman? I love snowmen!
Is there anything you don't love, Boots?
Tell her, man! Tell her hair looks like Javier Bardem in No Country for Old Men! This is your chance, Boots! Don't puss out! Nope! You pussy!
Swiper, no swiping! Swiper, no swiping! Swiper, no swiping!
But Dora! I'm dying! I have severe altitude sickness!
See this face?
Yes?
This is my not giving a fuck face! Which way should I go? Right, good choice. Huh? No? I'm pretty sure you said this way. Oh, you didn't? Well, maybe in just this one instance I could ignore your advice. Fine. Here's another choice for you. Guess which finger? I hope you guessed the one that means fuck you.
Dora! Boots!
Diego!
I'm coming too! What was that? Dora!
Where is your safety harness?
Payback's a bitch!
Help!
I'm coming, Diego!
I rescued some condors once. Are you here to return the favor? Why didn't we learn from the crocodile hunter? Dora!
I can't! Hang on!
It's okay, Dora. It's time for me to go, Diego, go. To heaven!
Diego! We did it! I'm an explorer. Food is food.
Help me!
Gotcha something.
You bitch!